I'm at Pelicana Chicken. Let's go on a food adventure. Finally made it into Pelicana Chicken. I ordered the half original fried and half yang yum. So then I'll pick some sides and we'll go from there. How spicy is the spicy seafood soup?
Are you good with spicy?
Not really.
Not good. I think it'll be a bit spicy.
Okay then. I'll get an order of cheese sticks and the Dduck Bokki.
Dduck Bokki? Okay.
That's not spicy, is it?
No.
Okay, I'll get those two, please. Cheese sticks. Exactly what I expected.
medium original. 제가 준비해 드릴게요. 5시 오셔서 시간 오시면 제가 준비해드리라고.
我天天点他们家外卖，一天点他们家的外卖。
Super pumped to try this. Okay, let's go with classic original leg. Oh, it's really hot.
你知道他这个，他这个还给加饭，对，没加饭。
Really juicy.
因为它已经有点好，不是那个
老板来一份咖喱牛排饭，加咖
And
喱。
try the corn salad.
给你加一块。
老板，你能不能点两份？
A little mayo in there. It's nice. All right, yang yang time. That was delicious. I didn't order the spicy one because I don't like spicy. That's my favorite. Oh, yeah. All right, let's try that rice cake. This looks interesting. Oh, they're done sort of like flat instead of rolled up. A lot of veggies in here too.
他每年的色号就是换里面6个里面换1个。
All right, time to try the rice cake.
就是它这个还不够，才599，那个是小的64的，64斤599。
要不然太香了。
It's a little spicy.
最香，我买最香。
Is Pelicana chicken worth the hype? The answer is yes. The chicken was delicious. It's I had the half. I got a medium yang yum and a medium regular. Regular chicken is fine. It's juicy, but it's not, you know, it's regular chicken. But the yang yum was great. I really like the sauce. Saucy chicken. I prefer saucy chicken. But they have many other flavors. So they have, like, if you're not a fan of spice, they have like a garlic chicken, snow cheese chicken. They have soy. And then they have different levels of spice for if you want spicy chicken. So moving on to the side dishes, it's still their soft opening, so they don't have a lot of choices. Mozzarella sticks were, honestly, some of them were not melted. Some of them were kind of getting solidified. So I could skip that next time. And then the rice cakes, they're okay. They were a little bit spicy. I was told they were not. But, you know, they have a little bit of a kick to them. And I've been just okay with rice, you know, but overall the service was great. They're very busy though, since there are like 3,000 locations open in the world. They're a very famous chain, so they run out of chicken within the first couple hours of opening. So if you want to get it, you have to go before opening, put your name down, or, you know, order during the week. They don't do reservations on Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays. But I was really impressed with the chicken. It's very juicy on the inside, not too overly oily. Like they have like a batter that's not too thick. So the chicken definitely was worth it. So that's what I feel about Pelicana Chicken. I look like I'm doing stand-up comedy with this background. It's weird.